See this? This is actually a package that I just received from one of you to be able to help you do your audit for your credit report. So if you want me to audit your credit report for free in a YouTube video just like this one, then I'm about to share with you something that's going to blow your mind. My name is Monica Main. I'm a serial entrepreneur and successful real estate investor. And I have had so many people from my credit videos, we're talking thousands of you, that want me to go through the process of sharing with you exactly how to fix your personal credit based on your personal situation. Of course, I don't fix credit. I do have a recommendation of a company that I can give to you to be able to help you use an AI-based software platform that can help you fix your credit essentially for you. But for those of you that actually want to do it yourself, then I want to share with you exactly how to do that in the, I guess you could say, process of showing you one by one exactly how this whole process works. Let me share with you exactly how I plan on doing that for you. All right, so as I mentioned before, I don't fix credit. Again, I can offer you an AI-based software. This is the link right here. It's also in the description box below. But if you want me to take a look at your credit and you're willing to have me do a video just like this one to share with everybody who wants to know how to use my strategies and methodologies on exactly how to fix credit, because my methodologies are unorthodox, to be clear. They're legal, but they're unorthodox. And if you want me to share with other people as well as your specific situation on what I would do if I had your credit report, what I would fix and how I would do it, then you can go ahead and go to this link right here. It's also in the description box below. I will audit your credit for you, but you have to give me permission to be able to do a video just like this one that I can share with not only you, but thousands of other people that also need help in the realm of credit repair. I will not include any of your personal address information or any of your personal information, but I will include your name on there. So I will block all the other information out of your credit report. I will just show your name so that we all know that we're talking about you, including you. You want to know that I'm talking about you too, right? And so what I'm going to do is go through line by line exactly how I would fix and tackle all of the elements on your credit that are negatively and adversely affecting your FICO score and what I would do in your personal situation. So it's the best thing possible, aside from me actually fixing your credit, to show you exactly how the whole process works. In fact, it's better than me fixing your credit, because then you'll always understand exactly what to do in any and all situations to fix your credit as fast as possible and to also boost your FICO score by rebuilding your credit at the same time. So it's not just a matter of just fixing your credit, you also have to rebuild your credit at the same time. So if you're interested in being my next person to where I can actually do a credit analysis or credit audit for you, then go ahead and go to this link right here. I'm going to ask you to send me your credit report. I'm going to give you instructions on exactly how to do that, as well as to sign a very quick disclosure stating, that basically you're allowing me to utilize your personal information, not your address, because I'm not going to include anything that's going to put you in harm's way, but I do have to put your name out there. And then allowing me to be able to analyze and audit your credit in a video just like this one. And then that way I can get you started in the next week or two. I can actually audit your credit for you and show you exactly what I would do to change, what I would do to rebuild, what I would do to get things off, and to help you boost that FICO score as quickly as possible. So if you're willing and able to be part of this, the audit process, I'm not going to do very many of these, but if you want me to audit your credit for you for free, 100% free, then go ahead and go to this link right here, or go to the description box below, and I will include all of the details on exactly what to do to become my next, I don't want to say victim, but the next person that I help out as far as sharing with you exactly what you need to do to massively increase your FICO score in the next couple of weeks. So go ahead and click on this link below, or go to the description box below, and I will give you all the details that you need to be part of the next credit analysis and the next credit audit that I'm going to be doing. So if you found that this video was helpful, please give me a nice thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel, because you don't want to miss all of the juicy credit analysis that I'm going to be doing in the weeks to come. You're definitely going to want to subscribe for that. This is Monica Main signing off, and I will see you in the next video.